Here is a fill in the blanks which states that the device shown here is most likely a dash. The device figure is shown here. The options are A. Comparator, B. Multiplexer, C. Converter, and D. Demultiplexer. We can see that there is one input here and there are 4 output lines. There are 2 selection sort of lines which is called S0 and S1. This kind of configuration is normally for a demultiplexer because comparator needs 2 input, multiplexer needs multiple inputs, and converter needs 1 input and 1 output. So it's basically a demultiplexer. It takes a single input line, routes it to several digital output lines. It basically needs 2 to the power n outputs for n select lines. So if there are 2 select lines, there should be 4 output lines so that one of the lines can be selected through this selection combinations. A demultiplexer is also known as a data distributor. So the correct answer to the question is option D, demultiplexer.